Thoroughly conscious ignorance is the prelude to every real advance in science. I have looked into most philosophical systems and I have seen that none will work without God. In science, it is when we take some interest in the great discoverers and their lives that it becomes endurable, and only when we begin to trace the development of ideas that it becomes fascinating. The only laws of matter are those that our minds must fabricate, and the only laws of mind are fabricated for it by matter. The true logic for this world is the calculus of probabilities, which takes account of the magnitude of the probability. The student who uses homemade apparatus, which is always going wrong, often learns more than one who has the use of carefully adjusted instruments, to which he is apt to trust and which he dares not take to pieces. In every branch of knowledge, the progress is proportional to the amount of facts on which to build, and therefore to the facility of obtaining data. Science is incompetent to reason upon the creation of matter itself out of nothing. We have reached the utmost limit of our thinking faculties when we have admitted that because matter cannot be eternal and self existent, it must have been created. All the mathematical sciences are founded on relations between physical laws and laws of numbers. It is a universal condition of the enjoyable that the mind must believe in the existence of a law and yet have a mystery to move about in. Faraday is and must always remain the father of that enlarged science of electromagnetism. Chief philosophical value of physics is that it gives the mind something distinct to lay hold of, which, if you don't, nature at once tells you you are wrong. Equations at which we arrive must be such a person of any nation, by substituting the numerical values of the quantities as measured by his own national units, would obtain a true result. I have the capacity of being more wicked than any example that man could set me. The second law of thermodynamics has the same degree of truth as the statement that if you know a tumbler full of water into the sea, you cannot get the same tumbler full of water out again. It is of great advantage to the student of any subject to read the original memoirs on that subject, for science is always most completely assimilated when it is in the nascent state. Mathematics may flatter themselves that they possess new ideas which our human language is as yet unable to express. I have also a paper afloat with an electromagnetic theory of light, which, till I am convinced to the contrary, I hold to be great guns. Ampere was the Newton of electricity. Heat may be generated and destroyed by certain processes, and this shows that heat is not a substance.